Imagine walking into your property and feeling that sudden chill or oppressive heat, realizing your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system has stopped working. It is a moment of immediate discomfort and concern, leaving you to wonder what to do first. Don't panic, because with a clear plan, you can tackle this challenge efficiently and effectively. Responding to an HVAC system breakdown efficiently means immediately initiating a structured approach, assessing the problem, communicating with tenants, and promptly engaging qualified professionals. Your quick and organized actions directly minimize tenant discomfort, prevent potential property damage, and control repair costs, turning a stressful event into a manageable situation. The core reason this structured response is so crucial lies in the interconnected nature of your property's systems and tenant well-being. A malfunctioning HVAC system can quickly lead to secondary issues such as frozen pipes in winter or mold growth in humid environments, if not addressed. Moreover, maintaining a comfortable living or working environment is often a lease obligation and directly impacts tenant satisfaction and retention, making a rapid, professional repair paramount. To put this into practice, begin by checking the simplest things first. Confirm the thermostat settings are correct, ensure the unit's power switch is on, and inspect the circuit breaker for any trips. After these initial checks, immediately notify your tenants about the issue, providing an estimated timeline for repair and offering any temporary solutions if feasible, like space heaters in winter. The next critical step is to contact a licensed HVAC technician who can diagnose the problem accurately and provide a professional repair. Make sure you have their contact information readily available for emergencies. When selecting a technician, look for those certified by organizations like NATE, which stands for North American Technician Excellence, ensuring they possess validated knowledge and skills. It is also wise to inquire about their emergency service availability and warranty on parts and labor. Maintaining a digital log of all service calls, technician notes, and repair invoices provides invaluable documentation for your property's maintenance history and future decision-making, helping you track system performance and anticipate future needs. By adopting a proactive and methodical approach to an HVAC breakdown, you not only resolve the immediate problem but also reinforce your commitment to property maintenance and tenant satisfaction. This structured response transforms a potentially disruptive event into an opportunity to demonstrate competent property management, safeguarding your investment and ensuring a positive living or working environment for everyone involved.